This is Lucy Hutchison. This is my week 4 MUX 1212. That's mobile user experience class. Okay, so I'm going to talk about what went well and what didn't go well. Well, definitely I had to brush up again on my coding and just refamiliarize myself. So because it's a CRUD app kind of thing, and so I was having problems trying to pass the data back and forth between the different views. What aspects of my application were best presented as native components? I believe that all of it, since it's all a pretty basic utility type app. What aspects of my application were customized to create a unique brand? Pretty much just the branding, like the graphics. I haven't really customized any specific gestures or anything that was native to just my app, so I haven't gone there, but I would like to. I definitely would like to do that, and so I think like tying in the social media into the meetings might help, make it a unique kind of app. Now, what aspects of my application integrity were easily translated into Objective-C? I think the whole displaying it as in a table view were easy. Being able to, put even the graphics on there, that was fine. It was the actual function of the moving data around, displaying it, that was a little bit harder for me. How satisfied am I? It was actually a pretty good class. I learned a lot about being able to do surveys and being relevant and not just go off of what I think is right. And so I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of my app. So here's the little icon that I did. And so you would view disciples. I'm not sure why it's going really slow right now, but if you click on one, then you would get to see the just the different details. And if you go back and edit, you can delete one of these. So I got that working, and it does delete it from the array, so it's not gonna pull their information. And so that was working just fine. I haven't worked out the added disciple functionality yet, but I did put the placeholder text as well as the custom keyboard for email, and so it has an email in there, and then the custom keyboard for phone, which is in there, and as well as the first and last name have to be will automatically capitalize. So if I put Bob in here, it will actually just capitalize it for you. If I do James and close out the regular iOS, it should capitalize it. So also, what I did is, if you try and save it without a first name in there, it is going to error out and tell you that a name is required. So just a little handy things like that. I did add a closed keyboard just for functionality's sake. So I wasn't able to finish off the add a disciple, but that's the form, and you'd be able to choose a picture from your photo or take a picture on your camera, as well as the edit disciple. I haven't filled in these fields yet, but that's definitely going to be that's how that would work, is that you would go down here and you should be able to edit their information, hit save, and it should go back. So that's all I have. Definitely a great class. I learned a lot, and I'm excited to move on to the next one. Thanks.